Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look in the gold market. So, as we today discussed on euro currency and the gold market, both markets are coming to the breaking of the existing trading setups. So, if on euro currency we were speaking about the bullish context and with the graph on the weekly chart and possible upward continuation, now this scenario stands at the edge of the failure. The same we could say about the gold market. Here we conversely have the bearish context and we have bearish directional pattern on the weekly chart as well, but recent performance, as we said, 24 area it will be vital for this scenario. And well, as market is coming closer to this level, as less desire to take the short position, because everything could be turned very fast. Actually, market right now is showing reaction on recent speech of the Putin and the results of his visit on Vietnam and the North Korea. So really some big statement has been made, and Putin already has talked about the conditions of the possible peace in Ukraine. And as you know, he never throw the words on the wind, and actually once the West hasn't accepted it, start acting in a corresponding direction, so bringing more tension in the overall geopolitical situation, which of course West doesn't like. So it will be interesting also to see what will happen when he will return back from this trip, because really big changes might happen in European arena as well. So we already discussed in our gold market report, by the all political situation and events that now are going on that we discussed, we suggest that the really big changes will happen this summer. More probable that this will happen in August. Changes on a battlefield in Ukraine as well, but it's also some drastic changes might be in other spheres of the relation between the West and Russia. So I suppose that the current performance that we see on the gold particularly absorbs these events and showing the corresponding reaction, because we do not have any big statistics, no new data on the starting purchasing from central banks, although that might be, we just do not know about this. But I suppose that's mostly geopolitics, because if you remember a few days ago we said that if we would have the gold rally, we could say that this is geopolitics, because we already have the rally on the dollar index and together with the dropping on the yields in the United States. This is usually contradictory factors. It's usually moving in the same direction, but currently you see that it's all moving in the opposite direction. When gold joins, that's also showing upward direction together with the rally on the dollar. This is obviously geopolitics. So from that standpoint of view, as we said, if double repo will fail, the market will raise this collapse that we have is moving above this area. This might become really the continuation of the major big trend that we have. So as you understand, potential double repo failure on the weekly chart, this is the serious challenge. So it's really might change the situation. From that standpoint of view, currently at this point, personally, I do not want to take the new short position, because we already have traded it trying to do this. If you take a look at the hourly chart, here's what we have right now. So if you remember, we were waiting for this upward breakout. Yesterday we said you theoretically could try to consider possible taking position, but be aware of the possible upward direction, and the market will try to hit the OP around 23.52. Market has done this, indeed upward direction has happened, but take a look what's happened next. Market hasn't shown any significant respect to this resistance and flirting around this area, moving to the 1618 extension of the butterfly target 23.70. This is not normal performance, especially when you have the strong weekly pattern on the back. This starts smelling like the failure, and very soon probably the situation could change. That's why this makes me start considering something different. In particular speaking, I am watching for this big reverse hand and shoulders pattern that could become the starting point of the failure of the weekly pattern and change the context into bullish. So it means that now the nearest upside target will be around 2390, 2384, which is the XOP in 2390. That is, here's the top. So potentially should be the neckline. Also, this will be around the 618 level, this downside action and invalidation point of the double repo on the weekly chart. So then we will see what will happen. So probably on a intraday trading process, if you prefer to trade the gold intraday, that might be the points for interesting tactical shots on bearish positions, because market probably will start forming the right arm of this pattern, and this might be some shots on background for possible downside retracement. But since as I said, major context could change into bullish, if this really will start forming, I mean the reverse hand shorts, we'll be watching for 23, 25, 23, 30 area absolutely for different purposes. We'll start watching for possible taking the long position, because situation might change. So that's what the surprise we've got right now on the gold. On the fall time frame chart, it's also some technical reasons to suggest that. So if you take a look at our recent setup that we discussed, first of all, market has broken confluence, and second, take a look at this former cluster to the left, which should hold the price action from this breakout, has failed actually. So market was calling around it for some time, but then shows the breakout. So market actually breaking this consolidation as well. So this is potentially bullish sign. And from that standpoint of view, currently, if you still would like to go short gold, since this setup has not worked, or just minor pullbacks we've got here around it, this is the next level that you could consider if you would like to take the scalp short position. For others who trade on higher time frames, be prepared, because this performance really might become the starting point of the changing of the daily context into bullish as well.